Now we're walking up to the showroom where we can see all these different samples of displays. This is pretty cool.
This is different brands. Corona.
Corona.
Yeah.
Stella.
Yeah. Huawei.
Huawei.
Yeah. Budweiser.
We got some Budweiser going on. Corona. Everybody loves Corona. Oh, this is great stuff. These are really cool.
And this is special.
This kind of has a little hard surface.
This is a very big special room for Huawei. It's like the.
Wow. This looks great. Huawei's the biggest mobile carrier out in China. You can see some of the different things that they do as far as display-wise. Some of the different opportunities and options that we have for SmartCube and any Smart Armor product. This stuff is neat.